now, y'all. Look out, look out. What's up with it? Ah. Let me see, man. Yeah, I got, what's up with it, y'all? I don't even want to go up here yet. Damn, I kind of do want to go up. Nah, never mind. Oh, okay, they ain't good. They ain't back. I'm upright. Excuse me, excuse me. Ah.
Put you in the groove. Put you in the groove. Yeah, I got you.
He got him. Man, that truck big.
Straight.
That the one everybody say that's the good truck right here, that this the Cummins. Was they still? Was they good in this year and that year right there? Or you gotta get the new one?
Look, it's the homie. He figured that hoe out.
Look out. Yeah, I got it now, boy. Watch this, boy. Watch this, boy. I got that bitch all sticky. Look,
You look like Superman, nigga.
Yeah, I'm on there now. I done figured it out. Then yeah, I'm on there now. All right, man. What are you doing? They done gluing them down. Who taught him? Hey, man, that's your homeboy, man.
I don't know that nigga. I've been trying to direct this motherfucker.
Oh, you trying to?
Don't know what he's doing.
Yeah. Who taught him, man?
I'm telling him.
He doing a double glue burnout.
Well, whatever. He just needs to be fucking
on street tires. Out the groove.
Yeah, like 750s. Yeah.
Yeah, he finna put you in your groove, man. He finna have you right. That thing has had a bunch of work done. Oh, okay. It probably have had a bunch of work. I don't know. It sound like. Look at old boy, he ready. Hey, wait a minute. What he doing? He want his transmission hot. I ain't never heard nobody want their transmission hot, y'all. He said he want his temperature up to 150. I said, what? I want mine as cool as it can be. That was a good race or no? Nah, it wasn't no good. Let me see. Let me see what we got going up here. James Bond truck with the smoke screen. Yeah, man, they said it was gonna be cold out here tonight. I had to get prepared. Look out, look out. Let me see what else. Rob One Time is in the building, y'all. They say these little things here be running. I ain't never rode in one of them though. Is they really fast? Or they just hyping them up? I know he ought to know. Look at him. Look at Stone Vet. Made him get up behind him. He like this kind of. Oh yeah, man, this is my favorite, dude. I fucking had one and I dreamed about it in high school. Hey, tell me about this car, man.
I think it's like 2004 or something.
Yeah.
Bug eye. He said it's stage 2.
And you like it?
I like it, dude.
I knew you would.
Yeah. I was about to go pee and make a pass, but I was like, I'm gonna wait and watch this.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew you would like this kind of car, y'all. I already knew it. He want to hear him some.
What's popping?
This backfiring exhaust.
What you riding in?
Something slow. I ain't bring nothing fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I need a gas tank.
Something I can fuck with?
Yeah, but I don't even want to fuck with you.
Oh shit.
thumb thumb before he shifts. Yeah, he can't do that. That ain't right.
Time off the ET.
Thumb 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 thumb. Run dun 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 dun. Oh shit, where he going? Hey man, look out. You got that intake?
Huh?
You got that intake?
Just catless mid-fuzz.
Oh, okay, bet. Let's get it then. Let's see what you got, man. It made a difference or not?
Not really.
Nah, for real. He ain't make no difference, y'all. See what he racing against. Oh, this ought to get him, right?
Yeah. Well, they don't have it.
This say GT. Ah, he got a GT 500 though. He's supposed to win though, man. Okay. He got tires on it. Ain't neither one of them got. What you get? Nah, I don't want none. I just want to look at it. What's that? Chili pie? Frito pie? Yeah, it's still steaming. Well, you in right here, man. I'll take the left side. Fuck it, man. You do? You want the left too? Twisted Soul, what's up, man? I've been waiting on you for about 16 minutes and 28 seconds. They were talking about my title ain't correct. I had to get on my fucking. Oh, watch it. I knew he was, man. I was really scared for the Mustang driver.